Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite Iranian dishes, Joojeh kebab. This dish is a staple of Persian cuisine. If you go to any Iranian restaurant, this will be one of the top things on the menu. If you ask the chef or the waiters there for a recommendation, without a doubt, this will be one of the things that they would recommend for you because it consists of grilled chicken, and it has very few ingredients that you marinate the chicken with, so it's very accessible, but it is incredibly delicious and it's really easy to prepare. I'm going to show you the way that I would prepare it. So let's go. As you can see, these are all the ingredients that we're going to use to prepare it. I've got about just under 1.5 kilos of chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs, or you can use a combination of both. I've got 250 grams of Greek yogurt. I've got about 70 grams of extra virgin olive oil. I've got one onion, red or white is totally fine, that I've sliced. I've got a single lemon, some sea salt, and some bloomed saffron. And we're going to combine all of the ingredients. Right, I've mixed all of the ingredients together. All I've done is I've just tipped them into the same bowl, mixed it, stirred it round to get all the flavour combined. And now I'm going to cover it with some cling film and put it in the fridge. You can ideally leave it in there overnight, 24 hours. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it, leave it in there for about a couple of hours. I've got some gardening to do, I've got some house chores to do, and then we're going to come back. Once we're finished, we're going to be ravenous, we're going to be ready to eat, and that's the time to put it in the oven and cook it. Right, so it's been a few hours. The chicken has been marinating in the fridge. What I've done is I've got some skewers, some wooden skewers, and I've taken a few out and I've let them soak in some water because I don't want the wooden skewer, to burn when they're cooking in the oven. So all that's left to do is to begin by skewering the chicken and preparing it to go into the oven. We're not going to grill them. You can grill them, but we're going to put them in the oven. The oven is preheating at 200 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's start. You want to go and skewer the meat through the thick part first, and say about there, and then get another piece and thread it through. Don't leave them so far apart that they dry, but not so close together that they kind of steam up in while. So kind of like a bit of a gap, just like that. Okay, our chicken is skewered, and now it's time to put it in the oven. Right, we've taken the chicken out of the oven, and now what we're going to do is, if you come a little closer, we've got some butter here mixed with a bit of saffron that we've bloomed. And all I'm going to do is, just before serving, I'm going to rub it onto the chicken. Just like that. And this is the final result. You can serve it with bread, but I'm serving it here alongside some saffron infused rice with some lime to go along with it. You can choose lemon, and also prepared a side salad. Bon appetit!